Lightweight landing gear can be a key component in any good flying airplane. Lightweight gear can also distort more easily, which can protect foam airplanes. Wire landing gear have been favored on lightweight airplanes for years. The downside to using too much of that flexibility is that wire gear can bend. The folks at CriticalRC.com have come up with a set of supports that really fix this problem. These supports were designed specifically for the Flex Innovations Cessna 172. The CriticalRC struts are very light, very strong, and surprisingly easy to install. Because all the fasteners are accessed from between the wheels, you don't even have to take the tires off to put these on. CriticalRC includes the screws you need to attach them to the Cessna airframe. CriticalRC recommends adding a couple of spots of shoe glue or similar adhesive to the landing gear to make them even stronger. I found that a piece of double-sided tape helps keep the gear in place while you're drilling the pilot holes. I also loosely installed the end attachment points to further stabilize the gear for mounting them. With all the holes drilled, I removed the gear and added a couple of daubs of the shoe glue. A couple of daubs like this is all you really need. When you install the braces, this spreads out and gives you very good coverage. The only caution I have here is just to not try and over-tighten these screws. Between 4 snug-down screws and the shoe glue, this makes a very solid connection. That little bit of shoe glue that's squished out when we tighten the screws means that I've got a good coverage. This is landing gear, so I added a little bit of blue thread lock to the bolts that hold the end points on. Installing these braces went so fast that I went back looking for something that I might have missed. Turns out it wasn't me, they're just that easy to install. The landing gear was so springy before I added the CriticalRC struts, I had my doubts that they would really work that well. It turns out the folks at CriticalRC knew exactly what they were doing. It's been a long time since I made this much of an improvement on an airplane in so little time, and so cheaply. When we made this video, the CriticalRC struts for the Cessna are costing $49.95. I think for the durability and performance you get, I think the $50 is well worth it.